Hi, in this lecture I'm going to talk about the software that you need in order to complete the experiments that I'll be showing you in this course. And as you're about to see in the next few minutes, the software requirements are very limited indeed. You probably already have everything that you need to get started. So let's dive right in. First of all, if you are planning to use a PC or USB oscilloscope instead of a standalone benchtop oscilloscope, then you'll need to install the software that comes with that instrument. In my case, I'm using a PC oscilloscope from Lotto Instruments, and this is what the accompanying software looks like. What it does is to provide me with a user interface of the oscilloscope on my computer screen so that I can interact with the various knobs and buttons and configure it, and then it provides me with a large display where I can see the waveform and interact with it. As I said, if you're using a benchtop or a full hardware oscilloscope, then you're not going to worry about installing anything else on your computer. Apart from that, we'll be using the Arduino Uno and the ESP32 as a very cheap signal generator. So these devices will provide the signal that will be feeding into the oscilloscope to learn how to use the oscilloscope. We'll be analyzing those signals and doing measurements and so on. So to program the Arduino Uno, we'll be using the traditional Arduino IDE, which you most likely already have installed on your computer. And to program the ESP32, we'll be using Visual Code IDE from Microsoft with the Platform IO framework, which we probably already have as well installed in your computer, especially if you've gone through the ESP32 for Busy People and Unleashed courses. In all cases, all the source code that you need in order to program the Arduino Uno or the ESP32, and of course the processing sketch as well, is provided to you. So you'll find links to download and use the source code in the various lectures.